Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This two-bedroom, one-bathroom detached home is located in the friendly community of Fairview Park, only a 10 minutes drive from the old capital of Spanish Town. Fairview Park is known for its family-oriented atmosphere and generous land space that offers plenty of room for future home expansions. The land area of this house is 3,817 square feet. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 12.5 million or US $81,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.